Welcome to OCR in Dynamic 365 Business Center. Hi, I'm Nakul Tyagi, and in this video I will explain OCR in Dynamic 365 Business Center and its potential to boost your company's productivity. Let's dive in. So, Techieroots Infosoft is a leading Microsoft Business Solution partner that is specialized in IT services and consulting. We prioritize quality over quantity. I will first explain you about the OCR. OCR functionality is a technology that converts different type of documents such as scanned paper, PDF files, invoices, or image captured by a digital camera into editable and searchable data. So we can use this particular data which is fetched from your invoices or PDF files to create journals, sales invoice, sales order, purchase order, etc. We can capture data from document, we can extract the data, we can also add certain validation on the data. If we want, we can automate the process. By automating the OCR functionality into your ERP, we will reduce the error part which will occur when manually creating an entry, and it will improve your accuracy. It's also save time. The pros of using OCR functionality are it eliminates manual data entry, reducing labor cost and speed up processes. It also improves overall data accuracy because minimum human error will be there. Now some frequently asked questions. What is OCR in Business Central? As previously explained, it's a data extraction technology. How does OCR streamline data entry processes? So it automates and speed up data entry. Can OCR capture data accurately from various document types? Yes, so OCR can capture data accurately from different document types, including printed or handwritten text. It can also recognize structured and semi-structured data. Is OCR integration seamless with Business Central? Yes, OCR integration with Business Central is seamless. It can be configured to work with your existing ERP system, making the implementation process relatively straightforward. What are the cost implications of implementing OCR in Business Central? The cost implication of implementing OCR in Business Central can vary depend on the specific solution and vendor. However, it generally considered a cost-effective investment due to the time and labor saving it provides. Does OCR require manual verification for data accuracy? So OCR typically require minimum manual verification for data accuracy. The level of manual verification needed depend on the accuracy of the OCR software and the complexity of the document. How can OCR benefit businesses in terms of time and cost saving? So basically OCR benefits by saving time and reducing data entry errors. It accelerates data processing, allowing employees to focus on more value-added tasks. Are there any specific hardware or software requirement for OCR implementation? So there are no specific hardware or software requirement for implementing OCR in Business Central. It can be tailored to work with your existing infrastructure. What type of document can OCR process effectively? So it can process various type of documents like invoices, purchase orders, receipt, contracts, and many more. Is OCR suitable for small or large organizations? So yes, OCR is suitable for both small and large organizations. Its scalability make it a valuable tool for businesses for all sizes.
Let me just show you one example of OCR in Business Central. So suppose a customer send an email with an attachment of purchase order. So the real functionality will begin once we receive the email. So once we receive the email, the OCR will check that particular email has an attachment or not. We can also add certain filter, like for this particular customer, the attachment should be processed by OCR or not. So it will check the document and it will check its document type. Also, we can also process with Word files or the images, anything. And we can add certain filters like amount should not be greater than or less than. Many filter we can add. So once we process the attachment, we will get a approval. So a new invoice has received. We will also see certain information of the particular invoice. Now it will be asking like, do you want to approve this invoice? Once we click on approve, it will directly create a sales order in the business center, and in the same email loop, it will resend a mail to the customer that this particular purchase order has been processed. If we reject it, then it will reject, and we can also add comment on rejecting like the unit price has been changed of the particular item, something like that. And if we process it manually, it will directly send a mail to the team finance team, and they will create the particular sales order manually. So if you see in the business central right now, we only have one sales order for the customer C0030. So now if I approve it, we can add comment. Once I approve it, OCR will fetch the detail and it will directly create a sales order in the business central. So if I refresh the page, a sales order has been created. And now if I see that particular sales order, so we have the basic detail that what was the customer, what was the posting date. We can also have the line information. So if the particular attachment have multiple lines, it will create multiple line, and if that attachment has only one line, then it will create only one line. The sales order is processed, and if I check them in, so a reply has been sent from the mail ID to the customer. And if I check from the customer side, so we'll receive a mail like hi, then customer name. So it will like to acknowledge the purchase order you have placed with us. Your sales order number will be this. So that complete process of creating sales order is done using OCR, using automation. You don't have to do any manual task. And if you want, like you don't want that approval process, so we can skip this particular part, and whenever the customer send a mail to us, it will directly create a sales order. Or either if you want to create channel journal or sales invoice or different type of document, we can perform these other tasks as well. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. If there is a particular topic you want like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again. Goodbye.